Hey everybody, welcome back to another Motivation Monday podcast for Monday, February 3rd, 2020. This being the first Motivation Monday of the month of February. You know it's coming at you, a new transcription assignment. I just want to start by thanking everybody who completed last month's transcription assignment, which was Dexter Gordon's second balcony jump. I just wanted you to transcribe the melody. A lot of people went above and beyond that melody, and some people even transcribed the entire solo, which was super impressive. One person in particular, Barb, actually transcribed the entire melody, memorized it, and posted a video of herself playing it on the 10-Minute Jazz Lesson Community Facebook group page. So really big shout out to Barb for going above and beyond. That was really impressive, and I think I can speak for everybody over there when I say really, really great. And I hope you got something out of that. But a bunch of other people did a great job as well, and did various amounts of the solo and melody. I'm really enjoying seeing you guys' progress over there. And it really just makes me want to keep doing these podcasts and giving you more stuff to work on because I see that you're actually working on it. Okay, so what we are going to do for this month is actually a vocal solo. So I'm willing to guess, and I kind of know that most of you out there are instrumentalists and not vocalists, but this month we are going to transcribe a scat solo. And the person that we're going to be transcribing is the wonderful, legendary Chet Baker. So if you don't know about Chet Baker, he was a wonderful vocalist and trumpet player, kind of equally adept at both of those disciplines. So I think that his scat soloing is really accessible to an instrumentalist because he kind of sings the way that he would play trumpet. So it has a lot of the same characteristics as, you know, if you were transcribing one of his trumpet solos. So the tune that we're going to be working on is It Could Happen to You by Chet Baker. And I am going to post the version that I would like you to transcribe in the show notes over at 10minutejazzlesson.com. Just find this show, click on it, and there'll be a link to the YouTube video of the exact solo that I want you to transcribe. So one of the things that I really appreciate about this solo is that it's very, very simple. And Chet Baker's pitch when he's singing is so good that it's not going to be that hard to transcribe on an instrument. But here's the thing, you know how I always talk about I want you to be able to sing the solo before you play it? That is going to be especially important this month. I want you to be able to sing along with Chet Baker using the exact same syllables that he's using when he's singing before you even touch your instrument. And it's going to be really easy this month because you're just going to be able to copy exactly what he's doing. It's a very short solo. As I said, it's very simple. And the biggest thing that I love about it is it's so melodic. I'm willing to bet after the first like half dozen to 10 times that you listen to this solo, it's just going to infect your ears. You're not going to be able to forget about it. In fact, I was introduced to the solo by one of my professors in college. Big shout out to Mark Shalansky. He ran our combo/improvisation class in my undergraduate, and he made us transcribe this solo. Everybody. So, you know, the entire group, regardless of what instrument you played, we had to go and transcribe Chet Baker's scat solo over this. And it was very, very eye-opening for me. In fact, I could still sing it from beginning to end to this day. And before today, when I'm going to assign this to you, I probably hadn't listened to it in a couple of years. So it made a really big impact on me. It taught me a lot about just being as melodic as possible in your solos. And I also love it that Chet gives us those syllables that he uses in his solo and that we have to try to recreate those on our instrument. That was another thing that I got out of this solo that really made a big difference. So what you're going to notice when you listen to the recording is he actually sings the melody, sings the words. So feel free to go ahead and transcribe that as well if you'd like, but your assignment is to transcribe the scat solo that comes right after the melody. I know you guys are going to have a blast with this. I think it's going to be really valuable for you. And remember, get on it right away because I want you to start posting your results in the 10-Minute Jazz Lesson Community Facebook group. And let's have a great time checking each other out. I'm really excited to hear all the different instruments and how different they sound when they're actually playing this, considering that it's a vocal solo and we're going to have to do our best to make it sound passable on our instrument. So there it is. That's your assignment. Chet Baker, it could happen to you. Have fun with this one. I know you're going to have a blast checking this out. And make sure you go to the show notes and grab the link to the YouTube video. All right, everybody. Have a great week. We'll see you on Friday with a regular episode. And stay inspired. Talk to you soon. Bye.